in terms of the relationship between landlords and tenants, probably tenants do have a lot more rights because of the fact that it's very difficult to evict tenants. Like legally, it's a difficult process. So when it comes to becoming an investor in property and being a landlord, you just need to take certain precautions to protect yourself as best as possible. By that I mean having certain insurance policies in place. So before you rent to a tenant, you need to be doing background checks anyway. You need to be doing credit history, credit searches. You need to be very comfortable with them that they're going to pay. If they end up in a position where they default, you should have in place what's called rent guarantee. It's a type of insurance whereby for a premium, you're paying for the security that if the tenant doesn't pay you, you're covered. Someone else, like the insurance company, will pay for that. So that's the kind of thing you have. You can also, like, the insurance that every landlord should have is just landlord insurance, which covers the building. You can also have contents cover. Just making sure these are the kind of things that you can put in place. Taking a deposit, making sure that you basically have a good contract with that person as well, because what you can do is also, if you know the situation turns sour, you can go through other legal processes, like going to small claims court, what's called small claims court, and getting that person issued with a county court judgment. Now, why that's good, I've actually done this myself previously on tenants. The reason that's sort of like a step to take is because that affects that person's credit score and credit rating. So going forward, a CCJ will appear on your credit report. You don't want that. It stays for about 6 years. So that has huge ramifications for you as a person if you have a CCJ on your credit report, because as soon as, you know, institutions, banking institutions, financial institutions, car companies that you want to buy a car off see that, it sends alarm bells ringing. So you're basically blacklisting yourself. So that's a credible threat to make to a tenant that decides to act up. But yeah, coming back to your boy's question about, you know, it seems that landlords don't have enough protection under the law. It's a hard one, but yeah, like, it's about management again. Just, it is what it is. You know, in other parts of the world, you may just be able to turn up one day and just say, oh yeah, pack your bags and get out. But we're in a different society with laws and regulations that we have to follow. So, and yeah, just make the most of it.